Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Zero from TechDragon.info, and today I have realized something. I've been fighting this high-pitched hum that's been on my microphone for quite a while now, and I finally figured out what the issue is. And I started looking into this, and the results are shocking. So let's have a listen here for just a moment to what was the actual root cause, and let's see if you can hear the difference. So here we go. Since this is going to be an audio test, you might want to put on a headset and close your eyes and just listen for a brief moment. Each segment will be about 5 seconds, maybe a little bit shorter. And yeah, just take a listen to the difference. So, you should have heard, I think there were 4 different cables in there. They were all plugged into the same USB port with the exact same settings. Microphone did not move in the meantime. This was purely just the cable that you just heard. I had no idea cables could have this kind of effect. I know that cables can have an effect on your data transfer rate, an effect on your power delivery over a USB cable. It stands to reason that the quality of the cable could impact the quality of the signal, but you would think that the signal is checked on validity and should just arrive properly at the same time, but no. Apparently, the signal can be massively distorted by just the works of the cable. And again, same USB port, nothing changed other than the cable. In the exact same position, everything else is the same. So I have just solved the most annoying issue I had with this microphone, and I knew it wasn't a microphone, but I always thought it was just my case making a noise that I couldn't really make out, or some sort of issue with the case, with the motherboard, something. But yeah, that was the issue, the cable. Holy shit, I never realized that a cable could do that. So there you have it. If you have a device that, like a microphone or a headset that has this annoying hum in it, or doesn't quite sound right, try plugging it in with different cables you have laying around. Even if they won't work for you, if they're too short or whatever, just test it out and see if another cable will resolve the issue. If so, you might want to go out and buy a cable that's an actual quality cable. Don't go for the cheapest one you can find, but go for a good one, because it can make all the difference. I didn't know that. Well, to a certain degree I did, but not that it could break your audio like this. But yeah, there you have it. Quality, I guess, is everything. I mean, we kind of knew that already, but yeah, it definitely shows. Quality makes a huge difference. Hopefully it's helpful to you guys. If it was, leave a comment down below. Did you replace a cable? Did this fix an issue for you? Or did you not even realize you had this issue? So, thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.